Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about casting. Which material is most commonly used for making patterns in sand casting? A. Steel. B. Aluminum. C. Wood. Plastic. Glass. The correct answer is C. Wood. What is the primary purpose of casting in manufacturing? A. To join two metals together. B. To shape molten material into a desired form. To remove impurities from metal. D. To increase the hardness of a material. E. To reduce the weight of a component. The correct answer is B. To shape molten material into a desired form. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which of the following is not a common casting process? A. Sand casting. B. Decasting. C. Investment casting. Centrifugal casting. E. Fusion casting. The correct answer is E. Fusion casting. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.